Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of narrative writing skills. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your storytelling techniques, this video is here to help you become a master of storytelling. Storytelling is one of the most natural ways we communicate. Through narrative writing skills, you can share your creativity, imagination, and even inspire change. But what exactly makes a narrative stand out? Let's explore together. First, to enhance your narrative writing skills, focus on the basics of story structure. 1. Start with a compelling beginning that hooks the reader. 2. Create characters that are relatable and engaging. 3. Build a plot that keeps the audience glued with a clear exposition, rising action, climax, and resolution. Good narratives aren't just about what happens, they're about how you tell it. Use sensory details to make scenes vivid and leave readers wanting more. Remember, cliffhangers are a great tool to keep your audience guessing. To improve your narrative writing skills, follow these pro tips. Write consistently, spend 20 to 30% of your time planning and structuring your story. Choose powerful words, lively vocabulary makes all the difference. Avoid unnecessary details, stick to what matters and keeps readers engaged. Did you know narrative writing skills can also improve your creativity and help you see the world from new perspectives? Writing is like therapy, it allows you to relive and better understand your own experiences. Plus, with every story you write, you sharpen your research and language abilities. So, whether it's fiction or non-fiction, your stories have the power to inspire, entertain, and educate. That's it for today's video on narrative writing skills. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. And for more updates, hit the bell icon.